Forex is fun. I trust myself. I trust my analysis. I enjoy my life outside of trading. I am happy to take profit. The market will always offer me opportunities. I do not chase trades. I'm worthy to live the life that I dream. I am a confident trader. Trading is simple and easy. I have more wins than losses. I am a master trader. I am always in profit. I attract wealth and abundance. I trade with confidence and clarity. I meet my trading goals. I exercise wisdom and patience in trading. I wait for the right entry to present itself. I wait for the best trade setups. Forex trading is easy to me. I instantly recognize trading opportunities. I am not an emotional trader. Losses help me to become a better trader. I minimize losses and maximize gains. I am consistently in profit. I practice proper risk management. Forex is fun. My judgment and analysis helps me predict the price movement. I trust my analysis. I am a patient trader. My Forex account grows daily. I am grateful. I am grateful I learned to trade. I am a profitable trader. I understand the market. I am a disciplined trader. I patiently wait for the best setups. I trust my trading plan. I consistently catch 2,000 pips a day. I am a professional trader. I enter and exit trades when the market tells me to.
Yes, absolutely nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. We've got some superstars who are all the way up with me on this live stream today. Let's see on the comments. ATWU, guys, let's know where you all are joining from. ATWU, and super excited to be here again on another Monday where we're going to be looking at the market to identify quality trading opportunities. All right, if you guys are joining the channel, my name is 𝗖𝗄𝗄𝗏, and this is Freedom Trade House, and all we do here is just to simplify the process of trading for beginners and also advanced traders. If you guys can hear me loud and clear on the live stream, put on the comments your name and where you're joining from, and also let's know if you can hear me. Just put some loud and clear so that I will have confirmation that you all can actually hear me very clearly. Okay, let's go. I'm super excited about today. Let's see what we got. Who do we have on the live stream tonight? I can see Collins joining from Zambia. I can also see a few persons. Alex from South Africa. I can see Guyana on the call. Yes, thank you for that. It's DJ Zemi. Thanks for the feedback. It's all loud and clear. Who else do we have joining the live stream? Where are you guys joining the live stream from? I can also see Ken Holland. I can see Collins from 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗵, right? That's Collins 𝗥𝗲𝗵. All right, thank you so much for the feedback. Let's get ready for what we're about to do here tonight. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. Let's see some ATWU on the comments, guys.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Yes, absolutely nothing can stop me. I'm very excited to be here again to have this live broadcast with you guys tonight. It's 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏 here, and tonight we're just going to be having a thorough look at the charts, and we're going to look at where the market's going. You guys can see this is volatility 75. A few moments ago, we actually had a quick scalp sell position on volatility 75, which gave us about 96 pips profit. And after that, the market turned out in the magnitude, right, towards the top side. And we have the bullish pump. So it's not over, because I'm anticipating, for those of you who are joining this live stream, you're actually opportune right now. I'm anticipating the drop. There's supposed to be some momentum-driven pullback on volatility 75. I say it again. There's supposed to be some momentum-driven pullback on volatility 75, something like this, you know, where price retraced and gave about 500 pips on volatility 75 in 10 past. All right. So we're anticipating such kind of move, because the market doesn't go in just one way. Right, it got to get to a point, give some significant retracement, and after the retracement, it can continue with the trend that it wants to go. So what we're actually looking out for right now is the next retracement. You guys can see here, price gives some retracement from the top here, doing about 340 pips, and after that, it continued in the upward trend. So we are actually strategically positioning ourselves so that we can catch that retracement, because that has a potential to actually give us a lot of pips tonight. So if you guys are just joining, my name is 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏, and what we're here to do is pretty simple, just to simplify the charts to beginners and also to advanced traders, so that you all can actually see the charts, because there's a simple principle that I work with for trading. And those that have been following us from our official channel at Freedom Trade House here on YouTube, right, you understand and you agree with me that if you can see it, you can have it. And what you want to do as a trader is to train your eyes to see the charts the way other successful traders see it. Literally, you want to analyze the charts and also trade like professional traders. You got to find somebody you emulate and then do exactly what the person does, in such way you can get a similar result. So it's not about doing it all by your own self. No, because your volume and the money you have, the money you're trying to put in the market, it's not enough to cause price to go in a particular direction that you want it. So what you want to do is to train your eyes to see where the big boys, right, the whales, the big fish, the institutions, and all of that, where they are actually trying to take price to. Then you leverage on that direction so that you can actually make profit alongside with them. And for you to achieve that, you just got to be on live streams or live programs like this that we have here on Freedom Trade House, because it's actually designed to help you, right? It is really designed to help you to see the charts like myself and others in our trading community. Been trading this for about 4 years now, and every year it only gets better, right? If you guys following and you're happy to be on this live stream, let's see some ATWU on the comments. And also, let's know in the comments where you are joining from. I'm going to be broadcasting my screen so that you guys can see those who are joining the live stream. All right, if you're just joining this channel for the first time, we have a goal to hit 2,000 subscribers here on Freedom Trade House live channel. So if you're just joining, please subscribe now and turn on notification, and also give this video a thumbs up so that those who are active on YouTube at this moment will also get the recommendation of this live stream, so that they can join and learn. There's a lot of money in this market here. I can't have it all. I can't take it all, right? If you have your share and I have my share and everybody have a share, you know, the world is definitely going to be a better place, and that is why we are here tonight. So let's go straight to business. This session is not going to be more than 30 minutes. The session is not going to be more than 30 minutes. So I'm just going to take us straight up to what we have for tonight. Tonight we're going to have a market outlook on a few instruments like volatility 75 index, volatility 𝗏𝗏1s, volatility 250-1s. And also we're going to look at XAUUSD because that's one of the instruments I trade the most, right? We're going to take a look at XAUUSD. I may not have so much time because we want to keep this to just 30 minutes. We're going to look at XAUUSD. And the reason why we are doing this analysis is so that we can identify the areas of the market where you won't take our positions. Guys, listen to this. When I started trading, I was really thinking you can actually get in front of the market and place a trade for a buyer or seller anywhere and just follow the candlesticks or anywhere it's going to, like chasing the market. You know, it took quite some while for me to realize that trading is not like that. Successful traders have zones where they execute their entries. We call them entry zones. There are areas and there are criteria that you look out for before you place a buy or a sell in the market. And that is the thing, guys. So in this session, I want to show you guys the areas where you could be looking out for placing your positions during this week. And also we could take some day trading opportunities on the charts tonight. So you're all welcome. Let's quickly recognize those who are joining the live stream. I can see Alex from Ecuador. I can also see Jafrica, that's Zemi, right? I appreciate you. Zemi. Let's see who else do we have on the live stream. From Kenya, Lemoti George from Kenya. Good one. I can see Ken Holland from Cameroon. So you're all welcome to the live stream. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Keep putting a thumbs up and also comment where you're watching the live from. Let's go over to the chart right now. Last week's session was a no-brainer. It was a bomb, right? If you have not watched the live stream of last week, I was actually live for 1 hour, 18 minutes and 24 seconds last week. We had a live stream of 1 hour, 18 minutes and 24 seconds. So if you've not watched that session yet, at the end of this live stream, you want to go back there because there's a lot of premium information, unfiltered information. When I say unfiltered, I mean unedited, right? Information that can definitely help your trading game. So you're all welcome. I have my screen right in front of me here and my camera is right here. And so I'm all good to go. So I'm just going to be looking at this and occasionally turn around to look at you guys on the camera lenses. All right, let's go. This is Volatility 705. And when I'm doing my analysis, I usually like starting off from the 4-hour time frame. That is as a day trader. Now, let's really talk about time frame relations. Everybody put on the comment. Time frame relations. Time frame relations. As a trader, the first thing you want to define, especially beginner traders, before you start executing trades or calling yourself a trader, you got to define what kind of trader you want to be. Can somebody tell me the various types of traders that we have? Put it on the comments. Now, if you can do that pretty fast, that'll be good. Now, you have to define what kind of trader you want to be, depending on how long you want to hold your trade setups. After you define what kind of trader you want to be, then you need to figure out a strategy that is in line with that kind of trader that you want to be. You got to figure out this strategy, and every strategy has the time frame that they work. Every strategy has a peculiar time frame that they work on. So as a trader, you need to know the time frames that you're going to be using as your tools for trading this financial market so that you can capitalize on your trading strategy. And that is how you want to go. So you can check the comments right now. You're going to see a lot of people in there. They're saying that they want to be day traders. Everybody's like, hey, I want to be a day trader. I want to be a day trader, and so on. We got scalpers. We got swing traders. We got position traders. We got day traders. So what is day trading? If you are a day trader, then definitely you need to learn how to use some particular time frames that keeps you in your positions within the trading day. And as a day trader, these are important time frames. Tonight we're going to really be talking about time frame relations, right? These are particular time frames that you need. The 30 minutes time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, the 4-hour time frame. I repeat, 30. Let's take from 5 minutes up to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame could actually be on some notes. Like you're looking at this 4-hour time frame, like, okay, let me just see how far this price wants to actually go on this time frame. The 4-hour time frame is like the climax of all of it. But you see the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hours, you're pretty good. Now, in my own trading style, I usually don't actually pay attention to the 1 hour time frame because I can get as well information on the 30 minutes chart. So that's why you can see most of my analysis, I just do them on 30 minutes, move up to 4 hours, find my entries on the 5 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. Now, another thing that you want to do is, if you want to start your trading journey as a scalper, then you need to be a master of the 1 minute time frame. If you're trading on the 1 minute time frame, it helps you to get quick positions. Now, scalping is all about getting in front of the chart, executing the trade setup, and you're out of the trade setup within seconds to a few minutes, right? Seconds to a few minutes. Day trading is holding a trade setup for 15 minutes to 30 minutes upwards and closing your trade position within the same trading day. Swing trading now involves holding your position over the night, especially when you've done a thorough analysis on the market and you see that there is a potential for price to give a massive expansion on a particular direction. For example, price is most likely going to travel about 10,000 pips or 5,000 pips on volatility 75 in the bullish direction. Then you got to look for a position to actually execute your entry and hold for 2 days or something like that. So for you to achieve swing trading, you need to be a master of the 4-hour chart. You need to be a master of the daily chart. 4-hour daily, 30 minutes. You're going to put up 30 minutes, 4 hours daily chart. So you got to be a master of this. Picking up from 4-hour, 30 minutes daily charts, you're really going to be getting a whole lot from the market. However, whatever way you want to actually go around this, if you want to trade and have sniper entries, everybody put on a comment, sniper entries. If you want to trade and have sniper entries, then you need to be grounded at trading and picking your entries on the 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame. And with that, we're actually good to go. So now we have volatility 75 on the chart, and we can see that the market is currently giving us some aggressive bull candle. We have some aggressive bull candle right here in front of the chart. Take a look at this. Aggressive bull. So the question is, what really happened on this market that brought about this? Now, if you look at the chart very well on the 4-hour time frame, you will see very well that price gave us some level of contraction over the past 3 days. Okay, starting up 2 days ago. In fact, the whole of this zone price has actually been comfortable around here. But let's talk about yesterday. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart, right? Okay, so we have 6. So this was yesterday, and this was day before yesterday. This is Sunday, and this is Saturday. So in the beginning hours of Saturday, price came into the zone and started contracting, giving us a sideways movement. And if you connect the trend line from the top here to this particular point, you will see the price tend to give us some kind of descending wedge on volatility 75 index. And after that wedge formation, what happened next? Price gave us a breakout. And with what I see here, I'm literally envisioning price giving us a rally onto this next supply zone at the top. So that's what we're looking at for. Now, for those of you in my premium channel, the VIP, those of you in the VIP mentorship, you understand why this blue zone is here. I'm not going to give you guys this details here. This is premium information, right? You understand why I mapped out this blue zone here. And with that, you could actually pick out some reasons why price reversed from this particular point. And that is the thing. So those who got in early, if you want to get in early pretty well on this particular market from here, let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. Those who got in pretty early, let's see what they actually look out for to map out the entry for this. So look at this. Price give us some well enough dump to the downside. Let's see. Let's connect this from here, from the top here to this bottom here. Connect like this. So price give us some kind of descending channel. Please take a look at it. I want everybody on this live stream to actually see everything that I'm showing you guys. It gave us this descending channel, and right after that we had the breakout of the channel, and there was some reaction here. Let's look at it on the 15 minutes chart. On the 15 minutes chart, you will see the reaction of these candles here. Now take a look. This is the zone here. This is where we had the momentum built. The momentum got built around here, right? And we can see the trend line connecting from here to here and connecting up here too. So we have the retest of the trend. This is the establishing point of the trend line, and this is where I had the momentum. So anyone who was actually trading this and they've mastered my 15 minutes trading strategy for volatility indices, you would have gotten a well enough entry from this particular point with a stop loss below this particular zone here. And with that, you currently should be up in profit because the target would definitely be here. Like myself, I was looking at price to give us a proper retracement at this particular level here because we had it as some supply zone in time past. So that is something that everybody could actually be looking out for. So now what is next on volatility 75 index? A retracement. Everybody put on a comment, retracement. Retracement. There are significant levels on the chart right now around these highs. There are significant levels where all traders are actually looking out to get their positions, you know, for a short, because the price ain't gonna go all the way on a straight line, all one way or something like that. No, price ain't gonna do that. And as you can see, the market's actually in some inclined state, almost 90 or 85 degrees to the horizontal, right? So it's most likely going to give a dump. It's most likely going to give a dump. So there's an area here. This is an area of pivot because this is support and this is a resistance. A pivot zone here. So the rule for us to trade this is we got to be looking out for the breakout of that trend line. So the giveaway I'm giving you guys, because there's some latency on this live stream on YouTube. So if I call it trade setup, you may be receiving the feedback like 20 seconds later on, and probably you may get it wrong. But follow this instruction. If we have price give us a thorough breakout of this line, then we're going to be going short on volatility 75 index. Those of you on this live stream, please pay attention to what 𝗖𝗍𝗄𝗏 is saying. We're going to be going short. We're going to be risking 200 pips, not more than 200 pips. We're going to be taking that, and we're going to be having our first take profit on this market inside of this area here. And then we're going to have second take profit down to this point. So if price would eventually break this particular trend line down here, then we'll be having price come down here and giving us 1,000 pips and profit on volatility 75 index. So remember, we're looking for just a retracement. So we could be having some 50% retracement, or 23.6 retracement, or 618 retracement, or 886 retracement on this market. We don't know how well it's going to retrace, but let's just see how it goes. So like I said, if we have a breakout of this particular zone, we'll be looking for a sell on volatility 75 index. And I know you're all going to be in position to actually maximize the profit that you're going to be making from this. If you guys enjoying this information, put some comments on the chat box. Let's see some ATWU on the comments, guys. Let's see some ATWU. Now let's go over to another instrument. I'm currently on a sell on volatility 25-1S, and I'm currently looking at this setups are actually on. We took our take profit one in the VIP room already. We had our take profit one, and after that, price is currently running, and we're looking out for take profit two of 500 pips on volatility 25-1S. The same thing that I said on volatility 75 index. You just want to learn how to do your analysis from a top-down level. And if I zoom out on this chart very well, you're going to see the price also give us some wedge pattern on a higher time frame, something like the 30 minutes chart. We can put this together to find this as a wedge. So if price can react at this bottom, this is the base, and perhaps possibly give us a retest on here, we could be having some potential momentum driver right from here that's going to take price way up. But if price comes back inside here, please take note, I'm giving you guys this. If price comes back into this wedge and retest this demand zone, we're going to be having price, whatever that brings price into this demand zone again, I'm telling you guys, there's no two ways about it. Price is going to be dumping. It's going to be dumping down. It's going to be going down below that particular zone. So we're going to be looking out for the reaction of price on volatility 25-1S on this particular area. Now let's go over to one more market, 251S. I really don't want to talk much about 251S. Let's look at volatility 100. If you guys trade volatility 100, let's see on the comments, volatility 100. Any of you that trade volatility 100, let's see volatility 100 on the comments, guys. Let's go ATWU with some volatility 100 on the comments. Now let's look at volatility 100 on the 4-hour chart. Let's look at volatility 100 on the 4-hour chart. Now, the market has actually been some wholesome market, volatility 100. It's really been some wholesome market, and we've been having some crazy dump. Some crazy dump on the market since Sunday. And you guys can see this pattern, which looks like some tweezers, but we have some dip here, making it look almost like an engulfing candlestick pattern. But we're going to consider that. Now, this gives us some clear information that price was going to dump. This happened on Saturday. Yesterday was Sunday. 2 days ago was Saturday. Now, look at this. There's something I want to give you guys. There's a nugget. Take note of this. When you're trading and you want to maximize your trading opportunities and maximize profit. This is the secret. On the higher time frame, study candlestick patterns, like engulfing candlestick, tweezers. Like when you look at 4-hour time frame, figure out what kind of candle closed in a particular zone, in a particular price reversal zone. What kind of candle do we have there? If you see the kind of candle that shows reversal, then you're most likely going to be getting a massive reversal right after the closure of that particular candlestick. And that is the thing, just like the one we actually have on this market right now. So these are some things you guys want to be paying attention to. I may not say all of this in my edited videos on YouTube, but you could get this on the live stream like this. So now we are looking for the reaction. This is actually some weak demand zone on volatility 100 index, and price is potentially going to be breaking it. You can see how it originates. You see, before I even opened up to this side, I had actually mapped out the zone, and you can see it's just in line with this. So we're going to be having the reaction of price from here, anticipating price to break it, and after it breaks, gives us some dip, right? Price is going to give us some dip. There's still some room for price to go this month below, right, below the zone. So guys, pay attention to this market, volatility 100. If you're going to be looking for short opportunities, then you're potentially going to be banking some profits until the swing for the shorts actually comes to an end. And that is the thing. Now, let's quickly go to the next market, which is volatility, not volatility this time, XAUUSD. I said I was going to talk about XAUUSD. We're going to start with XAUUSD on the 4-hour chart. We're going to start with XAUUSD on the 4-hour chart. Now, before we get on, let's see if I'm going to get somebody who's going to win my takeaway right here. So what is the basics of technical analysis? What are the 3 basic concepts of technical analysis? I want to put that to you guys. Let's see who's going to answer this rightly. What are the 3 basic concepts of technical analysis? Let's get it from you guys. The first person to tell me, what are the 3 basic concepts of technical analysis? I want to know what the 3 basic concepts of technical analysis is, right? Let's see. The first person is going to tell me on the chat. You know, when it comes to technical analysis, there are 3 basic things that you need to learn first as a trader. If you're a beginner, you got to learn these 3 concepts first. So let's see it. Let's see it on the comments. What are the 3 basic concepts of technical analysis? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, superstars. The first person is going to bring it up, and we're going to be good to go on that. Let's look at the charts. Why that is coming up. On XAUUSD, that is gold versus the United States dollar, we can see that the market has been in some aggressive surge to the top side. When I say surge, I mean some aggressive pump to the top side. So price has been bullish. And from this point where it originated, this was the previous zone where we had some contraction of price on XAUUSD. This was about March 8, between March 8 and now, right? Between March 8 and now. So price broke out of it, and it's currently up, creating all-time ATH, giving us some level of all-time high. Gold has really not gotten to this level in years. I don't think it has ever been this expensive. You know, with what is actually going on Bitcoin as well, you know, this actually makes it very, very interesting for the entire markets this year. In the real markets, we're anticipating to have some level of bull runs on markets that are against the US dollars. And that's the thing. All right. So let's see. Price is currently up here on this market. Now, we're going to be looking at some reasons why the market is really going to dump. Let's see if we have some sentimental indication that price wants to dump, like for example, that the sellers or the buyers are actually getting to, you know, change their mind about holding their positions for this particular market. Now, if the sellers are coming in pretty well, whoosh, guys, there's potentially going to be a fall on this market soon. That is XAUUSD. We're anticipating some level of dump on XAUUSD soon. It may not be particularly complete this week, but next week should be a bearish market, especially as a correction of this ongoing bull run that we're actually having on the market. All right. So guys, another thing I want you to do for me. Okay, I asked a question. I said, what's the 3 concepts? So SRT, lemoti George, but you needed to state it out. support, resistance, and trend line, and that is 𝗏𝗏𝘁𝗏𝗏𝗏. Big up to you. You just got 4 credits, right? You just got 4 credits, support, resistance, and trend lines. 4 credits. For my live sessions, once you get 10 credits, then you qualify and you just go home with some cash gift. All right. So let's go on, guys. Let's look at the charts really fast. Now take a look at this. You can see price hitting up all of this zone. There's a resistance here. This is some supply zone, and up to this particular point, you can see price is giving us some divergence kind of structure here. Now for tomorrow being Tuesday, what we are looking for on XAUSD is for price to either break this supply zone here or break the trend line to the downside. Now, when you're actually trading Forex, you also want to make sure you are looking out for the news, because the news is one of the things that actually drives momentum in price. So for tomorrow, the 9th day of April, there is no high impact news coming up on the chart. And also there's, there's high impact news on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we're going to be expecting high impact news by 3:30 p.m. And also CPI is coming up this Wednesday by 1:30 p.m. So never be in my office by then on Wednesday. I'm most likely going to be having some live stream with us here. So we're going to be trading CPI together. And if you guys are not in our Forex room already, you want to get in, sign up with our Exness partner link, or you just visit, look at this, to join in, just visit, create your Exness link with bit.ly/Exness keys. That's my Exness partner link. You create your Exness link with it. You fund $100 and you send to our team on Telegram. You know, check the description of this video. You're going to get a link to join our Telegram channel, and you're going to see all the information there. So if your account is set up, your Exness account is set up with this particular account, we verify that you'll be added to our Forex Signal Club. And there we're going to be trading all of these markets live, and you're going to be taking live signals. So they will actually make some profits trading XAUUSD together in the room. So guys, don't miss out on this. These are quality information and premium information that I'm sharing with you guys on this live stream. So this is how far I want to go. Like I promised you guys before, I said that this session, I'm not going to be staying more than 30 minutes. Later on this week, I'm also going to be coming live, and I'm going to be sharing some good information with you, especially on the CPI day. We're going to be looking how to trade the markets together. So guys, make sure that you are on our Telegram channel so that you get daily updates on trading and free signals as well. And also you want to take advantage of our 20% discount to join the Synthetics VIP room. And furthermore, today we actually launched our promotions on our upcoming Forex class. We have the beginners training that is coming up, and the training is actually starting next week Monday, and we're currently running it at a 90% discount. That is unbelievable. So literally you are not even paying for the tuition, you're just paying for the registration. So to register for the training and to show your commitment that, hey, I want to be part of this, you just got to sign up with $15. $15. And if you check the exchange rate in Nigeria, that's about 20,000 naira or something. That is really small. And the training is going to last 4 weeks, and it's going to be power packed and also value filled. So guys, I'm looking forward to see you guys on this particular training. You just check the description of this video, join our Telegram channel. You're going to see details about this particular program that is starting up next week on the 15th of April, and you're going to be up, all right? And we're going to plug you in, and we're going to be good to go. So at this point, guys, let's see. Okay, somebody just gave me a notice, said volatility 75 just broke the trend line. Yes, pretty well. That is the opportunity that we've been looking for. So I'm going to share it on our Telegram channel. Please take a look at this. I'm going to share it on the Telegram channel. Sell opportunity. All right. I'm going to share it on the Telegram on V75 from YouTube live. So this is it. Entry at 233,500, SL at 235,500, TP1. I'm putting the details in our Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel. TP1 at 2312 or 231300, and TP2 at 228300. All right, I'm sharing it to you guys. I'm sharing it to you guys right now. 200 pips. We're risking 200 pips here. I told you all, guys, I've shared it. I've shared it on our Telegram channel. You guys go take advantage of it. This is how far I want to go on this live stream, guys. I'm going to see you guys all the way up. You're going to see we're going to be sharing the testimonies on the Telegram channel, you know, for all who took the signal and all who making profit with the particular signal, guys. I appreciate you guys for giving me the notice. Thank you, Alex. Thank you for the notice, right? Let's go all the way up, guys. Absolutely nothing can stop us. See you on my next live session. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗰𝗁𝗏, and I'm always here to help. Bye for now.
Nothing can stop me. I'm